Families of the missing Sabongeros continue to seek justice as the Department of Justice wraps up its preliminary investigation into the high-profile disappearance case. Here's the report.
Relatives of missing Sabong enthusiasts personally attended the final day of the preliminary investigation at the Department of Justice. They're hoping the prosecution's resolution will favor them, so murder, kidnapping, and serious illegal detention charges can finally be filed in court.
Tapos na po yung PI. Ang laki po ng pag-asa namin na makakamit na namin yung justisya pagdating po sa resolution. Sana po pumubor sa amin, magkaroon na po ng warrant. Walang magpapareglo, talagang lahat po kami nagkakaisa rito. Hanggang dulo, lalaban kami.
Meanwhile, the camp of businessman Atong Ang, tagged as the alleged mastermind, wants the case sent back to the CIDG for investigation.
We are hopeful, and we are quite confident actually that we are hopeful that the case will be rebundled back to CIDG for investigation. In view of the fact that the evidences submitted do not have enough credibility.
But whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidongan stood by his testimony.
Alam naman natin talaga lahat kung sino ang mastermind dito. At alam naman nila na hindi naman ako basta-basta lulutang ng ganito. Within 16 years ako kay Mr. Atong Ang kung wala akong pinanghawakan against sa kanya.
The DOJ is expected to release its resolution soon, which will determine whether the case moves to court or is dismissed. Out of 61 respondents, 57 have submitted their counter affidavits, including Ang and his children, actress Gretchen Barreto and former NCRPO Chief Jonel Estomo. Meanwhile, the Philippine Coast Guard continues searching for the remains of the missing Sabongeros in Taal Lake. From July to October 12, authorities have recovered 887 human bone fragments, but DNA results to match them with families are still pending.
Hindi na po natin kailangan tinun pa yung DNA evidence. Okay, it may add to whatever evidence we have now, but if the assessment by the panel of prosecutors is that there is sufficient evidence to proceed to trial,